Smart and maintain as you. I didn't and then who say or like you apologize something. Because the Mahama in 14, 15, 16, I don't think Mahama has changed in anything. Like, I don't think he has changed. So I don't know why he's now apologizing. But the video is online. Video no social media say Captain Smart is apologizing. The NDC and then our flag bearer, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, doesn't need any apologies from him. Just because John Dramani Mahama I don't say, oh, penny point. Anybody wants to play with him. But let me tell you, John Dramani Mahama knows when to talk, when to act, and when to be quiet. He is just a human being. There's blood flowing in him. John Dramani Mahama also has blood flowing in him. Sometimes he doesn't talk doesn't mean that he's stupid. And I say sometimes on Kasana interest he's foolish. He knows when to talk. Like this government is doing now. They said that today we are having this tyrant doing now. You would have said that John Dramani Mahama is not a good man. When he was not doing it, you had so many names calling. What friend Dean? But now he has been that quiet till this time. After now you come out that you are apologizing. Sometimes no. Captain Smart, let me say this thing. Captain Smart is just setting an agenda. The NDC and Ghanaians, let's tell you that Captain Smart is setting an agenda. And his agenda is not going to work. It's not going to work because now we the Ghanaians, we the youth, we the citizens of Ghana, we have wisen up. We've passed this political game he's trying to do. Our problem is not he criticizing. Punching neighbor, punching tree. One say at the war, no. After now, Baba can answer. Yes, a woman, a warrior. There are two different things. So that man a warrior, a woman, no. Now wounding, and then the air warrior, no. And the one who say, oh, Anna Mahama was a good man, and I apologize. You are apologizing for lying. You, Captain Smart, 2020. Now your Angel TV. And then what were you doing? You were peddling up figures. Peddling up with the election figures. You, Captain Smart, is it today that you want to tell us that Mahama is somebody good or what? If Mahama was not a good man, if that man was not having heart, by now Ghana would have crashed. Captain Smart, don't play with us though. We are not ordinary Ghanaians. Even though we are ordinary Ghanaians, we know what is going on. We know you, Captain Smart, from 2014, 15, 16. From 2012, when Mahama assumed the seat. It was just an agenda for you, Captain Smart, to talk without facts. To talk without facts. And you were able to do that. You tried your best and then did what you were doing. Why is it that today now Captain Smart is trying to tell us, I'm sorry, Anna. Oh, Kasana, the tower go. I said, yeah, like, I don't know. What the tower go. Now, as if you are going to gym every early morning. Do you think we don't know that it was agenda? What you are doing now, Captain Smart, it will not help you. Don't try to use this agenda to peddle with things. So, Captain Smart, please, just stay in your MPP. And yeah, and then up MPP for a pia on a and I'm sorry, Mahama. Mahama, he's somewhere, Bema and a number. Look at what John Dramani Mahama has went through. Even the death of His Excellency John Evans Atamos. People criticize this man. People said that Mahama is doing what? Mahama is the one that killed Atamos. Mahama. Why don't we also say that Akufo-Addo is the one that killed JB Dankwa? Did we say that? But because sometimes, let me tell you this thing once again. I've said it and I'm saying it. Mahama is not quiet because he doesn't know how to talk. He's not quiet because he's stupid. He's not quiet because he's a coward. He is quiet just because he wants the credibility. If Mahama has done what... If Mahama has been that rude, that rascal, when you guys were insulting him left and right, when you were insulting him as if he was nobody, by now Mahama wouldn't have gotten that name that he's a good man. Look at where just his thank you tour, and then people are shivering. Just his thank you tour. An ex-president, he doesn't have anything to do, so he's going on his thank you tour. I'm sorry to say, not that he doesn't have anything to do, but he's an ex-president, and he feel like thanking people. And just a thank you to people, like I say, boom, kitty. Why? And Captain Smart, like, Just sometimes I maintenance you. Yesterday I was trying to say this, be catch me saying, me farmers, I mean, Captain Smart is saying the truth. What truth is he saying? One in intera. I'm saying it again. I'm pointing it again. Say, what Captain Smart no. And no intina oyes adian. One no. And no intina oyes I know. Na Captain Smart in your beer. Just say, what's nasty din or shena? What's nasty din? No, Captain Smart the sequence no oyena. One in intera. One in intera. Culture of silence ne canon. And all who say I found out who say and I'm Mahama ya dear that I don't know him. And I say infrastructures now Mahama seen 2012, 13, 14, 15 no. Sa infrastructures in any honum. And then I will who ye pa muhu dear moye. You all saw what you did to John Dramani Mahama when he was on the seat. And yeah, then I'll be cash say we are begging you. Whoa, Captain Smart, I say. Obey you know, obey she. Because me today, no, I will not urge any Ghanaian to believe what Captain Smart is saying. Because Captain Smart, to me, he's a hypocrite. Ask me why Captain Smart is a hypocrite. He's a hypocrite because it's today that you are trying to tell us that, oh, I'm sorry, Mahama is, if they come to nation building, Mahama is somebody who can build nation. Meanwhile, 2012, 13, 14, 15, you were there saying this man is doing nothing. Wabon. So why is it that and then the one who say he's doing something good? Why is it say and then the one who even crown 2020 you would 2021 and now when you who until say you pia auto chine and I know who say Mahama is doing something good and Mahama is doing what? Captain Smart. The NDC and our flag bearer don't need any game playing men. We don't need any peddling. We can do our own things ourselves because our flag bearer has taught us that to be a president or to be a leader, you must accept all the garbage which are being thrown at you. And every garbage was being thrown at him. And then he accepted that as he is a leader, everything, every shit will be thrown at him. He accepted that. So he being quiet at that time doesn't mean that he's stupid. He knows when to talk. Okay? He knows when to talk. Captain Smart, we don't need you. Please, take your apologies back. Because we will not accept it. We will not accept it. The last time I was trying to tell somebody that this Captain Smart is a hypocrite, and the person was like, he gave an example, say, two class prefects, Crampona say, Obibana say, Wanyadi. Now we need no go for the papa for na say, that person is trying to do worse than the other. Now you are trying to compliment who came before. Why would I say, no, Mr. C, for Captain Smart to believe by me standing here? I just say, I tried 2024 elections. Our bra, the opposition, our bra NDC is on power, and then he will keep on doing what he's doing. Before me, here, I will respect him. For now, he has no credibility. He has lost it all. That is what my view, my opinion is telling me. He has lost it all. Yes, he's a hypocrite, and I'm saying it again that he is. Well, Captain Smart, there was a video who did social media. The cathedral is nonsense. The cathedral is nonsense. Meanwhile, Tabana Moya campaign. When Nana Dodankwa was doing his campaign, he was using this cathedral as a campaign. Omoko sword cutting. Oh, Captain Smart. Ma ren fi so swa cemento. Into the time now swa cemento. Now where was your brains? And I now swa cement. Why you need to coin? And I swa cement. Now you say cathedral ko sinwo border biana. Would you say cathedral be